My name is Bill Frymire. I'm a TRU alumni and I'm a public artist. I live and reside in Kamloops. Originally I was approached to see if I was interested in depicting a local Secwépemc legend. All the sculptures are made out of aluminum, and I use aluminum a lot in my sculptures because it's easy to work with. I have some machinery that I can easily cut it with. It doesn't rust and it'll last a long time. So the aluminum has that metallic look. It'll actually form an oxide on it that will protect it over the years. So there's no glue or adhesive that can fail over the years. I wanted something that's going to last a very long time and look basically the same, in 20 years as it does today. There's an emphasis on the tail. The very first one, which is behind me, has colored inserts in the tail, and that gradually grows as we go throughout. So we've got sort of the crouching, the leaping, sort of jumping up high, and then the landing. So that's what it's all about. It's in one of the main roundabouts, so it's something that you see from afar, and then as you get closer you can kind of see what's happening here. It's really important to have public art in the environment that people live in. It adds so much interest and culture. It really gives me a sense of accomplishment and pride. I'm looking forward to doing more sculpture, and I'd just like to thank TRU for enabling me to do this. Yeah, I appreciate that.